admit it, the only reason you got an air fryer is so you can have your favorite fried stuff in a much lighter, healthier way. So why not we do just that and make some hot wings in the air fryer, which is going to be super juicy, crispy, and just as good as fried. So first, season your wings with a pinch of salt and pepper and just toss the wings in the seasoning to make sure it's completely seasoned on each side. Then transfer the wings into your air fryer basket. Now my air fryer basket has non-stick properties, so I never have to really put any oil or any spray before cooking. So lay out your wings in your air fryer and close the drawer. We're gonna cook this for about 13 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. The setting is air fry. So that's what it looks like after about 13 minutes. Now with the help of tongs, turn the wings and we'll cook it for 13 minutes more at 350. Now while this cooks, let's start preparing our sauce. So we're making some classic hot sauce. So you're gonna need some sort of buffalo sauce. Frank's is great. I use a local version of buffalo sauce and it's very good just because it already has a delicious, creamy, sour blue cheese dressing in it. So to get your sauce prepped, melt some butter in a saucepan and then add in about half to 1 cup of buffalo sauce. That should be just enough for about half a dozen wings. Buffalo sauce always looks so delicious, and now especially even more with that butter. So give it now a quick whisk, and we want to bring this up to a simmer. Now as soon as it has simmered and became a little thicker, turn the heat off. And that's what it looks like after about 26 minutes of cooking. And now the wings are basically cooked, but all that's left to do is make it extra crispy. And we're gonna do that by bumping up the heat and cooking for a few more minutes. So now set the air fryer to 390 F and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And there you go, perfectly golden brown, crispy, nothing is stuck, and you are ready to toss it in your sauce. The reason why we heated up the sauce is there's nothing worse than tossing hot wings in a cold sauce. That sauce is warm in itself and that's gonna help keep the temperature of the wings consistently hot. So now toss the wings right in the bowl with your sauce, and all we have to do is give it a good toss. Now that is an art, so just roll it around and start tossing. I'm just gonna serve this with the potato wedges that we're cooking besides the chicken wings, and I have a great meal here. Have a side of ranch dressing, blue cheese dressing, or even more Frank's, and it's gonna be great. And that's how you make wings in the air fryer. Be sure to check out my recipe for the potato wedges in the air fryer. When that drops, these are some spicy Cajun potato wedges. Hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, comment down below if you enjoyed this video and if there are any other air fryer videos you would like me to create. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.